Right, so I'm going to show you how to enable or disable advanced dictation preview on your iPhone in iOS 27. So this is a brand new improved dictation for iOS 27, but it's not enabled by default. So if you go into settings, just go back to the main settings page. So on the main settings page, you go to general, and then under general, look for keyboard, tap on that. And under the keyboard settings, you will see advanced dictation preview. You can see it's off by default. So to enable it, just turn that on, and to disable it, you disable it from here. Now when it's on and you're using dictation, when you're typing something, let's say you're in the notes app and you want to dictate something. So for instance, this is the iPhone 17 running iOS 27. So you can see it's much more accurate than what we had in iOS 26. Also, if you get underlined options, you can just tap and you can see all these options. Let's just stop first. If there are corrections, it's gonna underline, and then it's gonna give you many more options. All right, so if you tap on that, you can see it tells you what is there, what could be there, and also it's just going to, you can choose to stop checking grammar, or you can ignore the suggestion, or you can accept the suggestion. So if I accept, for instance, then it just changes that for me. So it's a much improved dictation in iOS 27. Thanks for watching. Good luck.